Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. If you're trying to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone, but you can't use Face ID, maybe it's not working, your face isn't being recognized, or the screen is damaged, it can lock you out from making important security changes. And when you're stuck on the passcode or identity verification screen, it can feel like there's no way forward. But don't worry, there are still a few effective solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone without using Face ID, step by step. The methods I'll show you work on all recent iPhone models running iOS 17.3 or later. The first method is to force reboot your iPhone. This simple action can sometimes fix temporary Face ID errors or verification glitches. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once the phone restarts fully, go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode, then Stolen Device Protection, and try turning it off again. If the verification is still stuck or Face ID still refuses to work, then move on to the next method. The second method is to reset your iPhone directly from the lock screen. If you're unable to turn off the security feature because you're locked out of the verification process, you can erase the device without needing Face ID. Simply enter the wrong passcode repeatedly until you see iPhone unavailable. Then tap the Forgot Passcode or Erase iPhone option that appears in the corner of the screen. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm, and the device will wipe itself clean. After the reset is complete, you can set up the phone again and turn off or reconfigure stolen device protection without needing Face ID at all. This leads us to the third and more universally effective method, using PassFab iPhone Unlock. If you want an even faster and easier solution, you can use this software. This tool can remove the lock screen, reset the device, and help you bypass the verification steps that usually require Face ID. Use the links in the video description to download and install it on a Windows or Mac computer. Open it up and select the Unlock iOS screen option. Connect your disabled iPhone with a USB cable. The software will give you clear, step-by-step pictorial guides on how to enter recovery mode on your specific iPhone model. Once the phone is in recovery mode and recognized, click Download to get the latest firmware. Then, hit Start to Remove to begin the removal process. This process will completely erase the device, including the passcode. After a few minutes, your iPhone will restart. You can then set it up as a new device. So that's how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone without Face ID. Whether you force reboot, reset from the lock screen, or use PassFab iPhone Unlock, you still have reliable ways to regain full access to your device. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the PassFab links below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.